Hey guys, today we are joining in on an open collaboration with the channel Home Sweet Homes for No Bake November. We will be making Oreo pie and peanut butter pie. These pies were a customer favorite at a deli I worked at years ago, and over the years I've made them for my kids and husbands' birthdays, holidays, family reunions. They're really good. For the Oreo pie, you will need a bag of Oreos, 1 box of chocolate pudding, 3 cups of milk, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 block of cream cheese, 1 stick of butter melted, 2 8-ounce whipped topping, and a pie plate of your choice. First, you will need to chop up your Oreos into crumbs. I used about half of the package. Next, pour your crumbs into your pie plate. Reserve 1/3 cup of your crumbs for the top. Drizzle your butter over your crumbs. Then mix that up and press it out into your pie plate. Put this in your fridge for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Next, mix your cream cheese and powdered sugar together. Next, add 1 container of Cool Whip and mix. In another bowl, make your chocolate pudding according to the directions on the box. Then set that in the refrigerator to let it set up. Next, add your cream cheese mixture on top of your crust and let that set in your refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour. Next, add your chocolate pudding layer and put that in the fridge for another 30 minutes to an hour. I only used half of this chocolate pudding for this size pie plate. Next, add the Cool Whip on top. Then last, sprinkle your Oreo crumbs that you had reserved on top. Set this in the refrigerator for about an hour and enjoy. Next up is peanut butter pie. You'll need a graham cracker crust, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 block of cream cheese, 1 8-ounce container of Cool Whip, and 1 cup of peanut butter. First, mix your cream cheese and your powdered sugar together. Then add your peanut butter and mix well. Next, add your container of Cool Whip and mix well. Add your mixture to the crust and chill for about an hour before eating. I want to thank Home Sweet Homes for having the collaboration, and if you'll go over to her channel, she'll have the playlist for all the videos. Thank you for watching.